ilm. Ja, Võlbralla. Nii Gonzales. Toomas ei tea.
Good afternoon. Glad to see you. Miki, Karl Medas, Siim, Henrik. For the back. With the 4-4-2 formation in the press. I know it's a big holiday today. It's a big game today. Okay, let's go, guys.
Milles nii või?
Normal pattern.
Ei no see on Andrei autost lapsi ole.
Hea kella läks. Tuleb põrsaga pealt.
Ma panin selle peal, siis tahaks isegi kui ma ebavisaks.
See ei ole midagi, võiks igaks, võiks ja vist Mart.
Vabanda palun kommi asja.
See, kes kaotab. Aga miks sa nagu...
Vend ei viitsinud.
Ei aita. Miks sa ei teinud nagu nüüd...
Tärine. Tee siuke läbi küpsen oled.
Oli väike seal puusanõks.
Nüüd oli käsi ka.
Uus mäng, proovime, ärme Erolile anna.
Kes see sai?
Ärme Erol, jälle Erol. Mikas?
Jah!
Yes!
Dima! Hey! Play, let's go!
Last part, boys. Last break. Let's go. Quick feet, let's go. Shoulder, push, well done. Jump, easy guys. Go, last one, guys. Last, well done.
Ukse ees ja kaugel see Kurulegi kolimine enam on, eriti veel kui ilm on nii ilus, nagu ta täna siin Tallinna Sportland Arenal on.
puruksema, suur tugev löök. Nii, kes... Jürgen Alsalu viimane kutse ja Jürgen käsi üles, ole hea!
Таня, жду тебя. Like we were high when we won all 3 games. We're not going down, guys. We lost 1 game. It's only 4 games played, 32 to go. I'm not disappointed with the result, you know, because we are allowed to lose the game. You're allowed to make mistakes. You're allowed to lose the game, but we are not allowed to lose like this. We fall down without a bullet. We fall down without a bullet. This is what devastates me and makes me disappointed, because I know that you're much better than that. All of you here in this room, I know that you are much better than that. I had a feeling that it was easy afternoon for them, and it shouldn't be like that. It can't be like that, because they're not better than us. But we need to understand that, okay, this is all learning curve and learning process for everybody, including me. What it takes to be a big team, what it takes to be a champion. We didn't go high when we won 3, we will not go low now. Only 4 games played, 32 to go. We will be there, okay guys, we'll be there. Come on, come on, come on, come on.